In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the display settings in Microsoft Word, specifically focusing on how to manage the visibility of object anchors. This is going to be really helpful if you find those little anchor symbols cluttering your document and prefer a cleaner workspace. Let's begin by opening the Microsoft Word document where you want to make these adjustments. You can easily do this by locating the file on your computer and simply double-clicking it to open. Once you have your document open, we're going to navigate to the File tab. You'll find this tab in the upper left corner of the Word window. When you click on it, a new menu will appear giving you several options to choose from. From this menu, look for the Options button towards the bottom of the list. Clicking on Options will open a new window called Word Options. This is where you can customize a variety of settings to better suit your needs. Now within the Word Options window, there is a section called Display. Click on the Display section to see its options. Here, you'll find various settings related to how your document is displayed on the screen. Among these settings, look for the one labeled Object Anchors. This option is listed under the section titled Always Show These Formatting Marks on the Screen. By default, the checkbox next to Object Anchors might be checked, which means they are visible in your document. If you wish to hide these object anchors, simply click on the checkbox to uncheck it. This action will remove the check mark, thereby hiding the object anchors from your view. Once you've made this change, it's important to save your new settings, so go ahead and click the OK button at the bottom of the Word Options window. This confirms your changes and applies them to your Word document. You should notice that the object anchors are no longer visible, allowing for a tidier document layout as you work. And that's it, you're done. You've successfully customized your display settings in Microsoft Word, removing the object anchors for a simpler and less cluttered workspace. This small change can make a big difference in how you interact with your documents, making your workflow smoother and more visually pleasing. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't hesitate to explore other settings within Word to further tailor your experience to your personal preferences. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly organized document.